Kickstart your adventure on the awesome all-new PowerCore electric scooters from Razor. With super long drive times and even more torque, the epic Razor electric scooter will power up your ride. Just hit the throttle and take off with killer style as you go further and faster than ever before. So many colors, every PowerCore Razor electric scooter comes with a super cool hub motor that puts the power right where you want it. Have total fun as you ride in style with the all-new PowerCore electric scooter.
Hey there, my name is Jeff Wu, and I'm the Marketing and Growth Lead here at Segway. We are thrilled to introduce to you the Ninebot Kick Scooter Max, exclusive on Indiegogo. We built the Kick Scooter Max after learning a tremendous amount from the recent Kick Scooter boom, as well as the feedback we receive from riders all around the world. We learned that our riders want longer range, more comfortable riding experience, and scooters that work in all weather conditions. Based on this feedback, we made Ninebot Kick Scooter Max, the best kick scooter in the industry. We upgraded the kick scooter and brought our quality control to the next level. The 40 miles riding range is a 42% increase to the current industry-leading kick scooter. Additionally, we introduced shock-absorbing pneumatic tires and improved weather sealing that gives this kick scooter an IP7 waterproof rating. We here at Segway chose to crowdfund the Max so you could help us bring the Max all over the world, to every city and community as an alternative to your daily commutes. To make this happen, we need your support to create and deliver the first production run of the Ninebot Kick Scooter Max to help us go Max on everything.